Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust or change your date and time settings on Windows XP. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the date settings down in the bottom right corner of your screen, or the bottom right corner of the taskbar, and select where it says adjust date/time. Now, at this point, you can go ahead and adjust the date as well as the year as well. So you can adjust the day, the year, and the time by adjusting inside of these fields here. You can type in whatever is correct. And you can also adjust the time zones as well. If you want to adjust for daylight saving time automatically, you can. Otherwise, you can uncheck that option. And you can also update now so you can sync with the Windows servers by selecting Update Now. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.